enthusiasm right here in the stall next to you. Oh, I'm so glad you're here. I'm so scared with all the seagulls. I don't even remember. It was so traumatizing. Oh, I remember.
Hi, Debbie. What are you having for lunch today?
Just this peanut butter sandwich my mom made. You know, the usual.
Remember, you guys, when you're done, don't throw your trash on the ground. You gotta pick it up after yourselves and then put it in the trash can properly, okay?
Did you just throw that?
Yeah? Big deal. They're just gonna like pick it up for me like my maid picks up stuff for me all the time at home.
No, they're coming. You don't know what you've done. Them.
Seagulls, man! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Cotton picket seagulls, get out of my way! Attention students, the seagulls have now left the area. It is now safe to come out.
Where's that dumb girl who littered, Debbie? What happened to her?
We are gathered here today to mourn the loss of a great little Viking, Debbie. Precious Debbie did not understand the consequences of littering. Let us not let her die in vain. So please, please pick up your trash.
Such a shame. I told you guys all along.
If only I told her, don't throw that trash on the ground. I stood up for myself. She wouldn't be dead.